things from tuitions, and we have a practice for the help of tuition. What can you say?
I'm totally appreciate with you. So firstly, good morning to all of you. So my name is Faith and I'm telling about why is importance of this. So tuition classes is most important for every student, like because tuition classes give us very lots of knowledge and very lots of use questions and increase our general knowledge things. Tuition classes are most important for students, like many tuition classes are present in our Telara professor coaching classes and AD coaching classes also present in our Telara tuition classes.
Some students cannot be joined tuition classes.
Yes.
That's time they can be progress. They have clever. That's time they have a progress in their life, and that's time they can be achieve their goal and they can be success in their life. And
Many tuition classes give a knowledge, and without tuition classes every students not succeed in our life and not pass in our paper, not pass in our every critical situation. So
private
without
schools without a tuition, some students can be practice and they can be success in their life.
Yeah.
But you cannot tell wrongly. That time some clever students they can be study and they can be progress without tuition.
in our
What
life,
can you say?
not only tuition but also school is most important for every student, like because school is very no, school is ocean of the knowledge. School is temple, and many subjects are teach us every sir as teachers.
Next time they can be students can be progress in their life and they can be
Achieve our goals.
achieve their goals. They can succeed in their life and they can make a business for a tuition. And next time they can be progress in a tuition. Next time they can succeed and they can be get a money.
Increase our knowledge and increase our social health. Also, every students, every parents tell us you can do anything, you can achieve our goals, and you can do every critical.
Without tuition we can learn much more things.
Yes.
But some not a clever boys. That time their parents can join the tuition and that time they can be progress. Some bad quality children they cannot be progress in their life.
Yes.
And they can be getting easily for tuition and school.
They can understand our questions and they can understand our every critical question and solve our easily. Every students by the due to tuition, every student solve our question easily, and not only easily, every hard question is solve our students.
And sometimes some teachers can told us we have not be that in that topic we cannot be we cannot do progress. We cannot be learn that we cannot learn that progress. Sorry, what can you say?
I am totally appreciate with you. Without tuition, every students.
Every students cannot be fail in their life, and this time some good quality children they cannot join tuition. This time they cannot progress in their life. And
They cannot achieve our goals, and they cannot achieve our goals,
their
and they
parents-
cannot goal in our life.
Their parents waste their money from for them, and they
Waste
cannot
our
be study,
time.
waste their time, and they cannot progress in their life. And
Yes.
that time they cannot progress in their life. What can you do?
I am totally appreciate you. So lastly, I suggested you can do study for every critical situation and every
For your
critical
parents,
time.
you can do studies. That time you have a success in your life, and you can make a successfully woman, man. And lastly, I am told us solve our question. And lastly, I am suggesting
You can do focus in our studies. So thank you.
Thank you.